This would be like a pipe right across here, so I could at least get a vehicle back through here. And then this all dug out. Small pond here, and then right here, this area, this whole area. And then narrow it up here about this width, maybe 12, 16 feet wide where this old bridge is. And then come out to make this the bigger pond area here. Let's move through there. You can't really tell on this how much it's flowing. I'm actually walking in the middle of it. It's flowing pretty damn good. So, you know, I didn't think about it. I should dump all the leaves here in the middle for now, so I get this pond dug. Because it just takes them all, boom, blast them down the creek. Can't appreciate how much this is moving unless it's like in real life. Then it heads on down. The creek down there goes right over the hill. Right about there, it drops down into the creek. And then all this stuff runs from back here. There's all kinds of natural runoffs going through here. We'll take a look at the back over there on the other side. We'll take a look. I'll be right back. Oh, see, I thought this creek bed here was dried up, but when everything was growing up in there, it actually just moved over. Oh man, you can see it way back in there. Just pouring through here. And then heading on out. Got to cross one road, there's culverts. And then basically it's going into the lake property. I can see it. It's hard to see through. I can see it flowing way back in there. This used to be the old creek bed right here. You can see where it was like cut out. See the side of the hill here. You know? I'm like, it's probably like 10 feet. We'll get lucky and see a whitetail here. So we'll just stop around. I'm gonna go up this hill over here and take a look at it. Should be like a swamp. Flowing swamp though. This is the top of the hill now. If you look over there, you can see that really flowing. You gotta cut through the trees here. Going down in here. Off through that way. Stuff over here is all flowing that way. Into the pond back. Over this way, it's overflowing too. We should go back there one day. Not today though. Not today. For those of you that don't know me, this is just one of the little creeks in my backyard. Yesterday was 70 degrees and beautiful out. Heavy winds. So I come back over to see if there's any trees down, which there always are some, but not as much as I thought there was going to be. For Busted Luck Tech and Dr. Gus Greenfield. We'll keep an umbrella open for you. What's weird about this is this water appears to be flowing uphill. This is the other side. Curving around, coming around, coming back to this way. You can see it all the way over through there. It's all flowing west, or yeah, west. I'm gonna follow it. I'm going straight down that trail right there. And I'm gonna watch it, and then it's gonna turn around and start flowing east again. The lake is east of here. Now see, this one's flowing south. Or this one is flowing east. Now this one's flowing east. This one was coming from this way. That's the last one I was at. And they're hitting somewhere down in there and then going east. So that other one was actually, it wasn't flowing west, it was flowing south. And this one's flowing east. This is the one coming out of the direct backyard. But here's something weird. In 25 years, even longer when I was a kid, friends of mine used to own this property before I did. I never noticed this rock right here. How about that? I think it's a meteorite. The damn thing's green. It's huge. Look at this thing. What the hell is that? This is the old one I showed you guys from before. This is something new growing there. Ew. Looks like chicken, man. Looks like someone took a couple pieces of chicken and stuck on it. I wouldn't eat it, but I can see how you guys would.